Welcome to another episode of the Tech Wizard series. My name is Michael George from the Panasonic Connect Mobility Division. Today we're going to cover the Panasonic TOUGHBOOK FC40. It's known for maximum productivity, extreme reliability, and today we're going to cover sustainable design. It's all about saving time and money. TOUGHBOOK 40 has 8 user upgradable areas, and we're going to cover those, which can be purchased as accessories. Today's video will cover the removal and installation of the storage. The Panasonic disclaimer: the customer is reliable for any damage to the system or replacement component while servicing the unit. In the event, the customer will be responsible for any and all charges related to the repair of the system by the Panasonic National Service Center. To add or replace memory, you can either use a number 1 or number 0 screwdriver. I like to use a number 0 for this application. You're simply going to remove all 4 screws, as such. Make sure you have the screws in a secure area. You're going to use the number 0 Phillips and just simply insert it into the tab to release the back cover. You're going to notice a label on the memory. You're simply going to go in the one corner and just lift it up with your screwdriver. As you lift it up, you're going to see 2 silver tabs. Simply just release both tabs by pushing them outwards, releases the memory, and it comes out. To add or replace memory, it's easy as simply reinserting the memory back into the slot, pressing down, making sure both tabs catch. Make sure your label is affixed to the actual memory. Replace the actual back panel and screw in all 4 screws with your number 0 Phillips screwdriver. Thank you for joining this episode of the Tech Wizard series. If you have any questions, you can contact Panasonic support at 1-800-LAPTOP5 or email us at toughbook@us.panasonic.com.